Hey loves, welcome back to another cozy cleaning video. Today I'm doing a little kitchen reset and wiping down the surfaces because they were getting dusty and messy, and I really wanted everything to feel fresh and clean again. I grabbed my cleaning spray and a soft cloth. Then I lightly spray the kitchen surfaces before wiping everything down slowly. Then move into the smaller corners where dust usually collects. While cleaning, I keep folding the cloth to use the clean side and make sure the surfaces actually look polished instead of streaky. I also go over everything a second time if needed. Thank you for hanging out with me today, Angel. I hope this little cleaning reset gave you some motivation or helped you relax for a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next cozy video.